The first and the last garbage bin you will ever need to buy. Introducing the new and most innovative Bag Ready system. Never before in the history of mankind has there been a commercial about a trash can. Until now. Who here likes taking out the trash? I thought I'd get that reaction. We all have to do it, so why don't we make it easier? Let's do that. Thanks, honey. Let's try that again. Thanks, kid. One last time. Thanks, random house drone. Let me show you how it works. Just load the tray. Pull the tab and place the lid. Oh, and cleaning the bottom, it's a snap. Just snap off the bottom cover, toss it in the dishwasher. That's right, dishwasher safe. All snap. No more searching for bags in the house, no more draping big bags over the edge, or small bags not fitting. A 6-month supply of bags would cost about this much. With Bag Ready, you'll still need to take out the trash, but at least it'll save you some cash.